How to start audio or video call on Hangouts for iPad. You can start an audio or video call on Hangouts in two ways. The first method is when you have a chat with a person. You can simply tap on that conversation. Here, you have two buttons on the top, audio and video. Tap on one of them to start a video or audio call for Hangouts on iPad. If you have not started the conversation with a specific person, to start the call, tap on the plus sign from the bottom. You will see your contacts here. You can now add any contact to your conversation. If you do not see the person you wish, just write on the input from the top the name, email, or phone for that person. Let's write an email. The system will find the person. Tap on that user. You will start a conversation with that person. Now tap on the call button. Hangouts might ask you permission. Tap on Allow, as this is needed for you to talk in a call. After the call starts, you will have three buttons on the bottom: microphone, hang up the call, and the camera button. You can mute or unmute your microphone at any time. Also, you can start or stop the video anytime. If you want to end the call, just tap on the red button from the bottom. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.